2025 Ferrari Amalfi. A refined Grand Tourer Ferrari's latest model, the Amalfi, builds on the foundation of the Roma but introduces key design and technical refinements. While the Roma initially divided opinion with its bold styling, the Amalfi takes a more streamlined approach. The most striking change is the removal of a prominent front grille, replaced by a body-colored wing and a gloss black bar between the headlights. This gives the car a cleaner, more purposeful front end, especially in the Verde Costiera launch color. Design evolution, the Amalfi retains the Roma's overall proportions, but addresses its predecessor's slightly underwheeled appearance with revised alloys. A significant slash along the side breaks up the surface visually, and the rear lights are now recessed into cleaner panelwork. Ferrari will continue to offer the Roma as a Spider, but an Amalfi Spider is not yet confirmed. The design evolves through subtle changes, allowing for a more contemplative appreciation of the car's lines. Enhanced performance under the hood, the 3.9-liter flat-plane V8 has been optimized for both power and emissions compliance. While torque remains unchanged, engineers have increased peak power by 20 horsepower, faster twin-scroll turbocharger speeds, up to 171,000 RPM, and a raised redline to 7,600 RPM contribute to the improved performance. The engine now uses thinner Zero W30 oil for better cold start efficiency, crucial for Euro 7 testing. Exhaust tweaks ensure quicker catalytic converter warm-up and a slightly quieter idle. Chassis and handling, the chassis hardware remains consistent with the Roma, but Ferrari has added Goodyear as a tire supplier alongside Pirelli and Bridgestone. The magnetorheological dampers have been recalibrated, and an aggressive deployable rear spoiler enhances aerodynamics. Interior refinements, the interior features the most significant changes. The tall, cascading center console has been replaced with a lower, flatter design made from anodized aluminum. Though it may lack some of the original's drama, it improves practicality and reduces fingerprints. A landscape-oriented touchscreen from the 12-cylindry replaces the portrait aspect screen, while touch-sensitive steering wheel controls have been swapped for proper buttons, including the return of a large red start button. Ferrari will also offer these button panels as a costly retrofit option for existing models. Overall impression, the Amalfi maintains the high-quality materials and intricate design that define Ferrari interiors. The driving position remains relatively high, and while rear seats are limited, the trunk offers surprisingly generous space. The car feels special, distinct from generic modern designs, and represents a refined evolution of the Grand Tourer formula. The 2025 Ferrari Amalfi is a testament to subtle yet meaningful improvements, blending performance enhancements with a more contemporary aesthetic.